Hello dear audience, welcome to RKTV. We are informing about earthquake update today in Japan. A moderately shallow magnitude 5.0 earthquake was reported at night near Hachinohe Shi, Aomori, Japan. According to the German Center for Geosciences, the quake hit on Friday, March 18, 2022 at 11:25 p.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 53 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of quake might be resolved within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculation, or as other agency issue their report. Second report from the European Mediterranean Seismological Center within list the quake at a magnitude 5.2. A third agency, France National Resilience